Hello everyone and welcome back to my daily analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Tuesday the 22nd of December. Now, I talked about silly season. Well, silly season and Brexit pretty much go hand in hand, don't they? I mean, there is still no agreement on this Brexit trade deal. Two sides are sort of back and forth, and it's not a million miles away, but they still haven't come to an agreement yet. And cable has been flying around with all these factors surrounding the COVID situation in the UK as well, which has worsened, and also how the dollar's performing as well. So it really has thrown cable outlook into a real uncertainty phase. And what we see is that a massive sharp sharp move to the downside and an intraday rally. I mean, this candle on yesterday actually had a high of 35 big figure and a low of 31.87. So an enormous sell side to the down move, and then it rallied into the close. How do you read it? I mean, essentially, you can't read a candle like that because it's so news flow driven. And you see here on the hourly chart the sharp move to the downside and then intraday rally fell over overnight and has actually picked up again in the last hour or so. So it's really difficult to sort of read exactly where this one is headed. Just volatility, really, I think you can really say. And with regards to the news flow, you need to stay close to that and how the Brexit situation is progressing. Possibly, I mean, I still have a feeling that they're going to come to some sort of agreement in the coming days. It's just a matter of how the news flow pans out in the meantime. But we're still looking out for the possibility that they could come to an agreement. You'd argue that yesterday's rebound high, 35 big figure, which, okay, effectively closed a downside gap. Filled the downside gap and then fell over. But if that can now be closed, then that's arguably bullish. So, oh dear me, it's just how do you get your head around cable in such a sort of thinning markets and difficult trading times is a really difficult situation to try and get your head around, really. And it's not for the faint-hearted, I would grant you that. But if cable can close back above 35 big figure, then essentially that's bullish again, and we're back to the races once more. But essentially it's going to be news flow driven, everyone, I think. So it's a really difficult read at the moment with that regard. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.